absence of electric field, right? Okay. So totally how many charges I have to take here? 3 charges. So 3 charges also somewhere, for example, at infinity. Here one charge, here one charge, here one charge. Somewhere I have taken 3 charges. Okay. Now, first of all, this is charge Q1 for example. I want to get this Q1 charge from infinity to the particular location. Okay. So that first of all I am getting first charge is Q1 charge. From where I am getting? From infinity. From infinity. So from here to here, is it require any work? Is it required? No. Why? Because earlier I explained about the same concept. The charge can come freely. Why? Because here there is no electric field. Here there is no existence of electric field. That meaning is what? No one is opposing. So this charge can come freely. So when I bring this charge, no need to do any work. Okay. So here I have, first I am writing W1 is equals to work 1. So what is this work 1? To bring charge Q1. How much this is? 0. What is the first work? 0. To bring Q1. Okay. Next I am bringing second, for example, okay, all the charges from here only. 3 charges. Okay. At infinity. So now I am getting second charge. This is what? Q2. Okay. Q2 also coming from where? Infinity. From where it is? Infinity only. So all the 3 charges at infinity. One by one I am getting. Okay. So now I am getting second charge. Okay. Here, is it require the work or not? Why? Because already one charge is existed. Means there will be electric field. There will be electric field. So that some amount of work is required to get this location. Okay. As you know, to get this charge to here, already this particular point have its potential. Because every point in the field have its own potential. This potential is due to this charge only. Okay. Right. So that now I am writing W2. So what is W2? W2 is work done to bring charge Q2. Yes. What is W2? Work done to bring charge Q2. Okay. We will see how much it is required. Okay. So that there will be, if I take a line here, yes, this is 1, 2, 2. Just I am representing like R12. Okay na? Yes. So what is the work here? See, yesterday the concept is this is only na 2 charges now. Yesterday what is our derivation? Electrostatic potential energy due to system of 2 charges. Here how many charges are? System of 2 charges. So system of 2 charges means here we know what can I take? See that here what is the work done is, the work done is equals to V into Q2. Correct? Because V is equals to W by Q. So work done is equals to V cubed. So work done is equals to V means what? Due to this potential. So what I can write? Potential due to point charge 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R12 into Q2. Correct? So yesterday I explained the same, or else you can write by help of this. So W is equals to VQ2. W is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12. This is the work done to bring the charge Q2 from infinity to this point. Okay, right. So W2 is how much? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12. R12 means it is just a representation only. What I am representing? The distance between these two. Okay. As you know, the potential energy or potential difference or electric field all are depending on distance only. Right. Okay. This is the second work done. Right. Totally how many charges? I said 3 charges, na? Yes. Third charge. Yes. I am getting from here. Yes. Up to, for example, the charge came to here. What is this charge, ma? Q3. Now I am getting Q3. So that what is the distance? Q3 is a distance, this much distance from Q1 and this much distance from Q2. So that can I represent this is R13? R13. Can I represent this R23? Okay, because 2, 2, 3. See, point to be understand here. First work done 0 because no existed field. Second work done will be there. Why? Because there is a existence of electric field. Third charge, to bring third charge from infinity, we need to do how many works? 1, 2 or 0? How many works we have to do? Work is required or not? Yes. Here how many fields are existed? Due to Q1, due to Q2. 2 charges are there. Means if the charge want to get this location, it has to oppose Q1 and Q2. Okay. So that here how many works are there? 2 works. Due to Q1, due to Q2. So that W3 is equals to bring charge Q3. To bring charge Q3 means how many works? 2 works. Okay. So what is the work? Work done due to what? Q1 plus work due to Q2. This is total work. W3 meaning is what, ma? Work due to Q1, work due to Q2. Okay, right. Then this is system of charge, 2 charges. This is also system of charges. So these sum we have to take. That is require work to bring Q3 from infinity. Okay. So how many I have to take? 2. What the 2 is? W3 is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. First one is what, ma? Q1, Q3 with respect to Q1. Here what is the distance? R13 plus second one what I have to take? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 Q3 by R23. Okay? Yes, it is clear. W1, W2, W3. Totally 3 work. So now 3 charges bounded. So all the 3 charges have their own potential energy. W1, W2, W3. Once all the 3 charges came to their particular locations, the amount of work done we spent to reach this particular location, once the charges are reaches their location, the work done convert into potential energy. The work done stored in the charges as a potential energy. So now how many energies are there? 3. What is the total potential energy of the system of 3 charges? What is the Padma? Total potential energy of system of how many charges? 3 charges. Yes. What is the total potential energy of system of 3 charges? That is W is equals to what? W1 plus W2 plus W3. Okay. So W is equals to, first one is 0. What is the second one? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 Q3 by R23 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q3 Q1 by R13. Okay? Right. This is the total work done. Now this total work done is converted into potential energy. So what is the total system potential energy means? Total potential energy U is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common. Okay. Next what we can write? Q1 Q2 by R12, Q2 Q3 by R23, Q1 Q3 by R13. So this is the expression we have. Q1 Q2 by R12 plus Q2 Q3 by R23 plus Q1 Q3 by R13. Yes. Now see that this is U. This is what? W. Why I mentioned here W? Total work done. How I wrote here U? The work done now convert into potential energy. Okay? Hope you understand. It's a very important derivation. What is the meaning? See that? Last two derivation is only set of 2 charges. Now how many charges are there, ma? 3 charges. In such a way, you can take multiple charges like 4 charges or 5 charges. What are the charges it may be? The total work done is the sum of individual works. Okay? Like this. W is equals to W1 plus W2 plus W3. Okay? So this is the idea about electrostatic potential energy due to system of 3 charges or multiple charges, absence of electric field. Okay? Right. Just you can write, note it down. So, as per the concepts of this potential energy due to system of 2 charges and 3 charges, absence of electric field is completed. Now we have to go for potential energy due to system of 2 charges in presence of electric field. Okay? Right. So now the concept is presence of electric field. So in the presence of electric field, just actually as per our PU exam, these two only very important, options only, presence not that much, but we need to discuss. So I will change this